Hello everyone, welcome back. Tonight I am going to show you a quick and easy Valentine's Day look. So I'm going to use Charlotte Tilbury, and this is her Golden Goddess palette. Oh my gosh, it's so gorgeous. Look at these colors. Love that so much. Super easy, and I'm going to just, all I have on right now is the True Match Lumi foundation, and then I did my eyebrows with Precisely My Brow, the pencil and the brow gel. Okay, that's it. That's all I did. So all I'm going to do, first of all, you take this, the lightest shade right here, take that and put it all over the lid, the entire lid, all over, just like that, okay? So easy. This is so easy. And I'm going to try to use all Charlotte Tilbury products, but it's super easy. So then next thing you do, you take this the shade right next to it, right here, and you just take that and put that in the crease. Look at that. And it's so pigmented. I actually love it so much. You just put it right in the crease, just like that. Okay. And then after that, all you do is take this darker shade, which is the, let's see. The first one was Prime, the second one is Enhance, and now this is the Smoke. So it's this like darker shade right here. And the Smoke you put in the corner here. So right here in the corner, just like that. Look at that. See how that works? Look at that. So great. Right in the corner. And the same thing on the other side. And then, oh, okay, by the way, this is my Morphe M502 fluffy brush. So this is the brush used for blending. And then I have the Morphe M507, and it's a little finer point. Let me show you, like that. And you take that and you put that under the eye. So that same Smoke shade under the eye like that. Just like that. Oh my gosh, it's like the magic of this is amazing. Okay, then all you do is you take, she has this Color Chameleon Bronzed Garnet liner, and you just put this liner right on your eye, just like this. Just right across the top, just like that, and like this. So easy. So that's your eyeliner. Put a little here. Don't go all the way, just halfway through the eye. Then she's got the, I've already curled my lashes. I did already curl my lashes. Then you put on this full fat mascara, and I love this applicator so much. It's so great. So put that on your eyelashes. Love this so much. This is such a good mascara. It's kind of dramatic, but it's also not too crazy. So you're not gonna get like crazy eyelashes with this. And then I just put a little on the bottom. Love that. Then she has her famous Film Star Bronze and Glow. And this is your bronzer. This is your highlighter. So I take my, of course, follow the hollow, as she always says. Follow the hollow, and then we make our 3, right? So make a 3. And then do it on the other side. Love that. And then you take a fan brush, kind of wonky with my hair, take your fan brush and you take it in the highlight pot, and you, look at that. Oh my gosh, I love that. Okay, so gorgeous. Take your highlighter, and I do it on the side here too. Just like that. Love that. Little on the Cupid's bow, a little down the middle, a little on the chin, a little there. Okay, then, oh, and then I forgot. Okay, what I love to do, so you take your bronzer right here, and I use this little brush again, and look at this. You go down the sides of your nose and contour your nose. How great is that? Look at that, so amazing. Then, okay, then I use her lip cheat pencil. Now, lip cheat means we're gonna cheat it a little bit, and we're gonna go a little under, a little below the lip line, and then I put it all over the lip. A little, just a little above your lip line, just like that, okay? And then this is her Penelope Pink lipstick. Of course, after Penelope Cruz, love this so much. Put that on. Now you could do a little darker. I think this is a little light for me. So actually I'm gonna add a little bit of this Bite. See how it's a little darker. Darken it up just a little. So easy. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Perfect. Then, last but not least, how easy was this? Like, hello, in 5 minutes, right? Then I put on her, what is this called? This is her lip gloss. Look at this gloss. Oh my gosh, it's so gorgeous. I love this gloss so much. And it kind of has a minty flavor to it, and it is called the